According to Lao Tzu, in the midst of chaos, there is always opportunity. Now, my dear genius, is your opportunity to build a strong financial foundation for your future. Global markets are crashing, and a lot of people are losing a lot of money. But do you know what extremely wealthy people do at times like this? They swoop in and they buy stocks and index funds on the cheap. I won't cover what I've already covered in the Thrive versus Survive series, 1 through 4, and chapter 5 should be coming up in a few weeks. And if you want a more detailed account, you can check out my book, Financial Life Plan, the Instruction Manual. But I will tell you what you should be doing right now. You can begin by investing in index funds or exchange traded funds. They're the same things. These are funds that allow you to buy across the entire stock exchange. Index funds are a lot safer than individual stocks. You can begin by dollar cost averaging on a monthly basis. Let's say maybe you could start by investing $100 a month in your future. Well, while the markets are crashing, you will lose money. The key is when times are better and the market suggests your small investment should see substantial growth. The truly wealthy buy when everyone else is panic selling. So start buying a small amount of index fund on a monthly basis and just let it become habit. Don't worry about gains and losses right now. We are in an unprecedented volatile market. We just have to keep our heads down and remember that we are building our financial futures. And this is not only advice that I'm giving, this is advice that I take. Presently, I invest in large cap funds, mid cap funds, and emerging markets index fund. I'm not a professional. This is knowledge gained for studying how to make money for more than 10 years and also losing money to the stock market and feeling like I was just flushing my money down the toilet. So I'm telling you this because I think there is room enough for all of us to become wealthy. Plus, the future of the job market is so uncertain, and you deserve to make money just like the rich people, using their own rules. Some of us will have to struggle to do this, and but it is well worth it. This is something that could change your life. And the roadmap I'm looking at, or I'm basing this on, is the 1929 stock market crash. And that recovery took about 10 years. So hopefully this one won't take as long. But the time is now to act so that, you can have a better tomorrow. There's a saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. But if you dollar cost average, you put an egg in each and every basket across the stock market. So begin acting now so that 10 years from now, your older your older self will thank you. And if you have any questions about this or comments, put it down below. And if I get enough questions, I'll do a Q&A. As a former teacher who was taught as a community college professor, I'm passionate about jobs and helping people make money. And it's not about buying stuff or having things. It's about having the freedom to live the kind of life you truly want. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a blessed and peaceful day.